let's cut right to the chase. Today's video is all about bad kitty dips, but I'm also using some solids from Revel nail. This color is ginger. The light blue was tender, and I'm obsessed with bad kitty dips. If you haven't seen my other video on this brand, go check them out. But this is the color combo that I have imagined in my brain, and it's all centered around Tempest. I felt like these two colors went so well with Tempest. I'm like, you know what? I need to do a mani on this. So if you don't know, ginger is actually on last call. What? I've had Revel's ginger for like 3 years now, since 2017 Black Friday sale. This color is stunning, and I'm surprised it's on like last call, that they're retiring it. They're getting rid of it. I'm like, it's a classic. Anyways, so I'm just applying my dip base all over my nail and then dipping into my powder. And then after I dip into the powder, I always clean around my cuticle with a toothpick. But speaking of cuticles, stay tuned towards the end, y'all. There is a tool that I have recently found. I didn't find them. I've seen it all over Instagram, and I decided to bite the bullet, purchase it, and my goodness, it is mind-blowing and life-changing for your cuticles, guys. Perfect cuticle lines. That's all I'm saying. Thank you guys for watching all of that. Now we're getting into glitter territory. This is Tempest that I'm going to be applying right now. Bad Kitty Dips. Again, I'm going to link everything below. I'm obsessed with her colors. She has a beautiful range of glitters. Anyways, this is all one size glitter. It has like this dusty blue that goes great with tender, and then some like coppery gold in there, or brown. It's really nice. I really like it. Well, I plan on vertical ombreing on 2 of my nails. So the nail to the left and the right of Tempest, the glitter nail, is going to have some ombre fading on to each nail. I absolutely love glitter ombres. It's like a nice sassy way to just add some easy nail art onto your nails. So I'm just using some eyeshadow brush here. I think this is a Revel eyeshadow brush. It's very fluffy and perfect for this stuff. So I just like sprinkle until I'm satisfied, and I add more if I really want to. I know doing ombres can be intimidating, but I feel like glitter ombres are the easiest out of all the ombres in existence. But if you guys want a tutorial on how to ombre, I have a video on 3 ways to ombre. I did 2 different ombres for solids and 1 for glitters. The glitter one is really just like a horizontal, like up and down from cuticle to free edge, vertical or ombre. So all you have to do is just change the direction and do it vertically instead of horizontally. So now I just need to encapsulate all of this. I don't usually encapsulate my nails, and I decided to today, and I have absolutely no regrets in doing this. Everything turned out smooth. I didn't buff off any of the color. Like, it was just perfect. So I'm like, maybe I should start encapsulating more. So I go ahead and I add clear dip powder to every single nail. Most important ones to me are obviously the main glitter nail in the middle and the vertical ombre ones, because I don't want to tarnish the glitters. Alright, things are pretty much done here with the dip powder. I'm going to dust off, activate all of this stuff, and then I really want to get into showing you guys this tool that I found. So it's from Bonafide Beauty. They sell checks glass files. They're really awesome, and they sell this curved one. So on the edges of the curved one here where I'm filing around my cuticle, there's two edges. And that's where the file is. It's so insane. It like hooks perfectly onto the cuticle area, and it's so rounded, and it just goes around your cuticles. It just gives you the perfect cuticle shape. I'm obsessed with it. I was hesitant at first, and I'm obsessed. I'm freaking obsessed. So I highly recommend this. I'm going to keep using it to see like if it dulls out or anything, all that stuff. They have two different styles on Amazon. I bought this one because the other one was out of stock. The other one I think is prettier, but I like that this one has two sides. So I'm just gonna file, shape, and buff and all that stuff too. I don't usually put this part on camera, so enjoy seeing how I buff. Like, it's a miracle that I got this in shot, because I usually buff so close to my face. But yeah, I usually like pull my skin with my finger so it exposes the sides. And I use these small little orange buffing blocks to really get in the nooks and crannies. And I've really changed my shape in 2020. So the way that I'm filing here, I actually have a video tutorial on how I shape my nails. So I did it on a mannequin hand. So the way I do it on those tips and those nails is the same way I do it pre-dip and post-dipping. At this stage here, I literally have the same exact technique. And it's like, I don't want to say I have the best shaped nails, because I don't think so. But I really think that it's like more suitable than the way my nails used to look pre-2020. So this is actually the next day. I've already top coated my nails. They've rested, so there's no redness, and there's cuticle oil galore all up in my skin. I love this ErgoFile, the file from Bonafide Beauty. I'm so impressed with what it's done to my cuticles, and it was so easy. It's not abrasive, and if you've seen my cuticle video, you know that I usually use a very thin metal nail file, but it's dual-sided, so the side that's rubbing against your cuticle area, there's one touching the dip and one touching the skin. This one doesn't touch your skin at all. There's no abrasiveness against your skin. It's just so gentle. I absolutely love it. I highly recommend it. You guys can see right here, like this is next day nails, and the cuticle lines look great in my opinion. I'm like tooting my own horn here, but I just love it. I'm like, can I just ramble on about this file? Okay, I'm just gonna stop now. I'm obsessed with how this manicure turned out. I love all of the colors. I love Bad Kitty Dips glitters. She just has a great reputation of constantly releasing beautiful, out of this world, gorgeous glitters. So I highly recommend checking out her shop. And if you guys like this video, please, please, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me a ton. And it lets me know that you guys like my Dip With Me videos. And I would love it if you would stick around a while and subscribed. Anyways, thank you guys so much. Have a great day.